Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Kilometre-an-hour motorway. There's a taxi in the overtaking lane, overtaking its shadow of no sun. It's what we've got. Testicle 3606 overtaking. Oh, he ain't overtaking me. We were doing 51 right then when that, I'm still doing well over 30. So that's lane splitting, people. He was just a bit too impatient. You fucking idiot. You got Dictard, Bogan, gotta know her either, Xander 03, Knob Jockey. So I got the idiot up here. This guy in this Audi is so pissed right now. So not only did he get cut off by this stupid bitch in this Mercedes where there was literally no room, absolutely no room to get cut off. So he gets cut off by him, but now he wants to turn left, and if she hadn't have cut him off, she wouldn't be blocking the road, and he'd be able to turn left right now and be on his way, but now he's going to be stuck here for another 2 minutes waiting for a green light.
He would say, not bad, but hardly a pay-per-view or a memorable pay-per-view main event. I don't think anybody could disagree, but we do see the seeds planted for Yokozuna Undertaker and how that feud could be next, which is going to happen, of course, at the 94 Royal Rumble, which we have covered in the archives.
The fuck are you doing?
Casket match where Yokozuna keeps the title, beating the Undertaker to the point where all of the heels attack the Undertaker, get him in the casket.
What the fuck you doing, mate?
He's dead now.
What you doing?
Levitates to heaven.
You fucking idiot. Really?
You thick cunt.
Yeah, look at this wanker in this motorcycle. We've got a Dictard Testicle 40. Oh God. He detained you. Jesus. No problem, idiot. There's a pedestrian there, you clown. Jesus.
We shouldn't be passing that down here. So I understand.
Ah, look at this
sides,
wanker.
I guess, because I too now am in the wrestling.
Ah, we got double wankers. We got a dickhead in a motorbike cuts one side and a dickhead in the car cuts the other way. Doesn't matter what you drive, ride, whatever the hell you're on, a dickhead is a dickhead. What the fuck are you doing? The big ass no U-turn sign there wasn't a giveaway. Fucking hell. What an idiot.
I don't think so.
Oh my god, look at these. What's that?
What's going on there?
Oh, you fucking idiot. You know.
You and fuck you and fuck you and fuck you as well.
But boy, oh boy, Peter, it's time for the shitbag titty fuck of the week, or maybe of the year.
Come on, I don't wanna argue with you. You just go first, alright? And where in the fuck do you think you're fucking going? Where in the fuck do you think you're fucking going? Idiot? The fuck are you doing?
Chops, you stupid thick bitch!
No, that's fucking brilliant, mate. You're an idiot. A freaking moron. Oh, God. Oh, my God. So watch what this dickhead is going to do, okay? They're going to drive all the way to the end of this left turn only lane, and instead of getting out of it earlier like I have, they're going to drive right to the end and go, oh shit, I don't want to go left, and they're going to try and then force their way over. Here we go. Nope, nope, you're going straight. Look at this fucking idiot. Look at this fucking idiot. Oh, God. As soon as I saw the tissues, knew exactly what. As soon as the tissues are a giveaway. You see someone with tissues in the back? Get as fucking far away as you can.
Chip off your shoulder, man. You
What
started
the fuck?
youngster.
Jesus Christ. What a fucktard. Let a brake light out or the bulb's dim. Oh, Jesus. I wonder if he was on the phone or what the hell he was doing to almost bloody plow over the bloody gutter. What have we got here? We've got Dictard, Pissant, 70, Sander.
Restart the show half a dozen times.
Mate.
So I was climbing up doing carrots so far.
Hey, the footpath's there, you idiot.
Oh man, listen, I'm excited we're here. We're
No
going.
one's fucking moving either. No, look at this prick in this van. Just go straight. Oh, we got another one right behind us. People are such wankers. Oh, that wanker. We got a Lugnut Dictard Lugnut 9.4. You know, another entitled wanker. I'll go down the exit lane and just drive straight over the divider. Shit. What a fucking idiot. We got a Clown Lugnut 1.2 Vegan Your Mama. Another total idiot. Now you're in trouble, son. What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Either this guy is totally retarded and doesn't know a green light means go. I don't think they were thinking of turning right. What the fuck was that?